Alright guys, welcome back. This is the directions for Wednesday, and we're switching gears from the 9/11 mini unit. We wrapped that up yesterday, and now we're moving on to some study skills. So we're going to start off with some goals. And I'll kind of explain what you got to do with this sheet here. With the sheet here that you can click on, you're just going to fill this out on Google Docs. It's called GPA planning. Obviously the G stands for goal, the P stands for your plan, and then A is some action steps that you're going to need to achieve your goal. And you're going to do this 3 times. You're going to do one for the short-term goal, one for a medium term, and then one for a long term. And you can kind of pick this out. You know, maybe your long term is your entire career in school. Maybe your long term is just this year, kind of your call. Same for the mid and same for the short. You can kind of pick and choose them based on your long-term goal. So you'll have a goal here. Just say what it is, your plan. Just give a little brief synopsis of what you're going to do that, and then some action steps are going to be more detailed. So it's basically a more detailed version of your plan. So your plan's more just like a brief overview, and then your action steps are very specific things that you need to do in order to achieve your goal. So just do that 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You can do all 3 on the same Google Docs page, and then just submit it. I'll take a look at them, and I'll grade them, and I'll get it back to you as soon as I can. Perfect. Have a good one, guys.